when we look at the industry and the challenges that we're seeing that are out there is availability of materials, availability of parts, all the things that we need. I see engines that are stopped, and I see aircraft that are stopped because the parts aren't available. And so one of the big challenges that we have out there is how we solving those problems out there today. So you're here at the MRO, Americas. And what booth are you at, or where can somebody come and see you?
Absolutely. STS Aviation Group, booth number 3923. Come by, ask for me, say hello, and appreciate the time, Mark.
You're looking for big solutions like that. So, hey, listen, we do this so that we can get people to kind of get an understanding of where some of the real, value is out there in the industry, what people are doing to be able to help solve that. And so I really would recommend you stop by and see these guys and have a conversation. And if you wanted to go on and look at some of the other pieces, you got a lot of other partners that you're working with.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Stop by anytime.
Yeah, great to have you. Good to talk to you. Thanks, everybody. Thanks for watching us. We're going to be doing this for the next 3 days. Appreciate you joining us today. Have a great day. Bye. Thanks.